Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a requested video by my subscriber. So today I'm going to be making lip gloss. This is not a lipstick nor liquid lipstick matte. This is just a lip gloss. So I'm going to show you some of the things I'm going to be using because she requested that she's about starting her own lip gloss business, but she don't know how to make lip gloss base, which is kind of complicated to explain. So I told her on the message that she can just use VERSAGEL. So today I'm going to be using VERSAGEL. So you see VERSAGEL. VERSAGEL is a transparent. They are not sponsoring my video, so I don't want to show them there. This is how VERSAGEL look like. This is a VERSAGEL, very transparent VERSAGEL. But when you're using this VERSAGEL, note that your lip gloss is no longer 100% organic. This lip gloss I'm making right now is not for commercial purpose, so I'm not going to be using my gloves. Guys, I'm advising you, if you're making any cosmetics for a commercial purpose, always put on your gloves, because it's very important to avoid introducing bacteria to your products. Some skin can be very sensitive, so you have to be careful when you're dealing with people's health and stuff like that. Yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you some pigments. This is mica. Mica is a pigment that you can use for lip gloss, but you can use it for lipstick. Why I said so? Because it's not that kind of. I will show you now the difference between mica and oxide, iron oxide. So I will show you. This is mica pigment. You see, it's kind of bright. Yeah, it's bright. This is red and it has like a shimmer. Mica pigments always have shimmer. It shines, and I have this liquid pigment. This is not mica pigment. This is just a liquid concentrated pigment. You can also use this one. You can get it from a cosmetic shop as well. You can use this. And this one, you can use this. I've not tried it, so I can't say you can use this one. This one, I use this one for my, this one is dye. I use this one for my lipstick. I'm a lipstick matte. Okay, this one is iron oxide. Iron oxide is like kind of a dye. It's don't, you see, the red and the red of mica, they are not the same. This red is kind of deep like horse blood. Yeah, you see the difference between mica and oxide. So if you're making lip gloss, I will advise you not to use this one, not to use this. Use the mica. So I'm going to be using mica. So the first thing I'm going to do, okay, sorry guys, let me introduce what I'm going to be using so you don't just see me putting in everything like that. I have my, and I'm saying it again, this is not for a commercial purpose. You see, I don't even have my squeeze tube with me here. I don't have any tubes with me. I'm just going to put it in this mini jar because it's a sample. Okay, so I'm not selling this one, so I'm not using my gloves. When you're selling, make sure you use your gloves, sanitize your hand very well, and clean up your working space. It's very important. I have my coconut oil. I have my grapeseed oil. I have my vitamin E oil. My vitamin E oil, I always use it for all my cosmetics because it's very good for the skin. You can decide to use any kind of oil because you need oil to infuse that. It's a very thick paste that you can use like that, but you need oil to infuse that. So you can use any kind of oil of your choice. It's depending on your preference. So I love grapeseed so much, grapeseed and vitamin E, and I also use jojoba oil as well because they are very good to moisturize your lips, to keep your lips moisturized as well. So now I have my peppermint oil. Okay, I'm just going to put in some just a little amount of it because I'm not making much. Just at the end, I'm keeping it for sample because some white people, before they buy, they want to see how it looks on them. So I do have samples. Yeah, this is just what I'm using. Hope you see it is a very transparent VERSAGEL. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add in my oil. You see, I'm not measuring anything because it's not for sale. The thing is that some people like their lip gloss to be watery, while some like it to be a little bit thick. That's why I said before, depend on your preference. You don't have to do my everything together. You can't even see it because it's a very, very transparent paste. You can see it. You see, like this one now, to me, it's too watering. It's too watering. Except you can make, if you want to make lip oil, it's okay. I'm going ahead to add this. When you're using pigments, always make sure you start little by little so you will end up. I'm shaking it because it has oil also, so I have to shake it so everything will blend up together very well before using it. So I'm just going to add 2 drops to see. Don't just add everything once like that. I'm using the red pigment, red number 6. I'm using red number 6. Now it's like this. Like this now. I'm still going to add more color to it to make it red. Atarodo pepper, what did they call it? Now it's like this. So if you want to, let me show you how it looks now. Guys, I told you before, this is not for a commercial purpose, so I can do whatever I want with it. You see, this is lip gloss. You see the way it looks. But if you want it to have that kind of a shimmer look, you want to have some shimmer on it, you want to have some shimmer, all you need to do is to add your mica, because mica has a very, very shiny effect. So I'm just going to dust in some few color to it, the mica pigment, and you see the effect now. Because some people don't really like when it's shiny. Some people just want it plain like that. So the pen, I don't know if you can see it very well. Now it has, it's a little bit shiny, like when you wave like this, you see that's effects. Making lip gloss with VERSAGEL is very easy, but I prefer using my own base that I made myself because I want everything to be 100% organic. So you see with the mica, let me show you the effects. You see, to be more shiny. You see, it's a little bit shiny, and the more you want it to be, if you want it to be shiny, just add more of this to it. Yeah, that's how to make lip gloss with VERSAGEL. Okay, very simple. So I normally add my fragrance oil as the last ingredient. I don't add it from the beginning. I'm just going to add 2 drops because this is peppermint fragrance oil. It's somehow pepperish, and I love it. And I love it, especially in cold time. If you buy cosmetics from me, you will notice that almost all my lip gloss are with peppermint fragrance. This is it. This is just as simple as this. Very simple. This is red. This is lip gloss, this very one, and this one also is lip gloss. I want to show you the difference between lip gloss and lipstick matte, because some people don't really understand when I say this one is lip gloss, this is lip gloss. It's like this, you see. Why this is lipstick matte. You see the difference? And this dry very fast. And next time I will show you lipstick, because the normal lipstick is different from lipstick matte. This is lipstick matte, liquid lipstick matte, and this is lip gloss. Lip gloss is kind of oily, while lipstick matte dries on the lips and stay there. Lip gloss is kind of made to moisturize your lips, to keep your lips soft and shiny, to keep your lips from not drying and breakage. Lipstick matte is made to slay. Let me say it that way. Made to party. While lip gloss, you can use it even while you're at home. You can use it whenever you want, but lipstick matte, no, it's made occasionally. Okay, that's the difference between lipstick and lip gloss. Lipstick matte and lip gloss. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope I explained very well, and see you on my next video. I will be showing you guys how to turn your lip balm into a lipstick. So see you on my next video. Bye bye.